Another day, another story. Certainly, here are 40 steps for clean eating for weight loss. Start by setting realistic and achievable weight loss goals. Focus on eating whole, natural foods instead of processed and packaged foods. Increase your intake of fruits and vegetables to add fiber, vitamins, and minerals to your diet. Eat lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, tofu, and beans. Choose complex carbohydrates like quinoa, brown rice, and sweet potatoes instead of refined carbs. Avoid sugary drinks like soda and juice. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Cut back on alcohol or eliminate it entirely. Avoid snacking mindlessly in front of the TV or computer. Plan and prepare your meals and snacks in advance. Avoid fast food and eating out as much as possible. Choose healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts. Incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet. Use herbs and spices to add flavor to your meals instead of relying on salt and sugar. Eat slowly and mindfully, savoring each bite. Practice portion control and use smaller plates to help you eat less. Avoid skipping meals as it can lead to overeating later on. Try new healthy recipes and experiment with new foods. Keep a food diary to track your progress and identify areas where you can improve. Get enough sleep as it can affect your appetite and metabolism. Incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Focus on eating a variety of foods to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. Avoid eating late at night to aid digestion. Consider meal prepping to make healthy eating more convenient. Use healthy cooking methods like grilling, baking, and steaming. Choose low-calorie snacks like fresh fruit, vegetables, and air-popped popcorn. Limit your intake of high-calorie snacks like chips, cookies, and candy. Reduce your intake of saturated fats found in fatty meats and dairy products. Avoid fad diets or extreme calorie restriction. Use a food scale to help with portion control. Incorporate strength training into your workout routine to build muscle. Get support from family, friends, or a professional if needed. Don't beat yourself up over slip-ups or mistakes, just get back on track. Avoid comparing your progress to others and focus on your own goals. Practice stress management techniques like yoga or meditation. Avoid consuming too much caffeine as it can disrupt sleep and affect appetite. Get enough fiber in your diet to help you feel full and satisfied. Avoid sugary snacks and desserts, instead opt for fresh fruit or a small portion of dark chocolate. Make healthy substitutions in your favorite recipes, such as using Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. Remember that weight loss is a journey, not a destination, and it takes time and dedication to see results. Thanks for watching.